Good morning, children. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Yesterday we discussed bridging gap activity in subject English third class. So, picture 1 discussed yesterday. Only we written the words. Uh, we written only the words which are in this picture. Which are in this picture. Just remember yesterday class. See what are the words, what are the action words. So I want to write here on the whiteboard here. See, these are the naming words. Naming words. See this side, action words. Naming words, action words. So let's separate 3 columns now here. See, first in the naming words we written here boys, girls. Next, wickets. Next, children. Next, tree, building. Maybe the order is changed yesterday and today the words are I think similar. Next, ball, bat. Like this, these are the naming words. Here, action words. Running, skipping, next walking, jumping, batting, feeling, making. Next, kicking. See, now this is a picture 1, third class English. So today date 18/07/2020. See now in picture 1 these are the naming words, these are the action words. So by using these words we can write sentences. We can make sentences. How do we make? Say somebody. Oh, you are right. So what is that? For example, use with these words. Is, are. So using these words, see these are the naming words, these are the verbs, these are the action words. Using these words we can write sentences. For example, boys are. See here action words, playing is also there. Boys are playing. We can write one sentence here. Boys are playing. Boys are playing. Next we can write same like that. Girls are playing. Girls are playing. Otherwise we can write children are playing. Children are playing. Next, boys are running. Boys are running. One more sentence. See, I am writing here the sentences. Here, first sentence, boys are playing. Boys are playing. Full stop. Sentence over. Next. Girls are playing. Second sentence over. Next. Third. Children are playing. Children are playing. Next. You can write here skipping is the action word. Girls are skipping. Girls are skipping. Girls are skipping. Girls are skipping. Next, girls are skipping. Here use are if the naming word is more than one. Boys is not one boy, is more than one boy. That we can call plural, that is boys. More than one boy we can say boys. More than one girl we can say girls. So then we use this word boys are. If it is boy is there, boy is there, boy is boy is running. Boy is running. Boy is running. Simple sentence. Boy is running. But already boys are running also we can use. Here boys, more than one boy, boys are there. For boys use this are. If single one boy, use only is. Singular. If it is singular, use only is. Boy is running. We can write like this. Girl is running. Girl is running. See here the action word jumping is there. Like that. Boys are jumping. Girls are jumping. Boys are jumping and girls are jumping. I am writing here seventh sentence. Boys are jumping. Boys are jumping. Next, girls are jumping. Girls are jumping. Boys are jumping. See how much easy it is making sentences by using this picture. Simple. First write the naming words, write the action words, use these verbs is or are. Is used for only singular, or is used for plural. That means boys, more than one boy, two boys, three boys, four boys. Then we can use are. If only one boy is there, use only is. Boy is running. Only one boy. If two boys are there, boys are running. Boys are jumping. Next, batting. See, boy is batting. Boy is batting. Boy is batting. 10th sentence, kicking is there. How we can use kicking? Boy is kicking a ball. Boy is kicking a ball. Boy is kicking a ball. Like that, we can write girl is kicking a ball. See, see how many sentences we framed up to now? 11 sentences. It's very easy. See, look here. Boys are jumping, girls are jumping, boy is batting, boy is kicking a ball, girl is kicking a ball. So here making, feeling, walking. So we can make number of sentences. So by using naming words, action words, use this verbs is are. So shall I write sentences? I am rubbing here. See, I explained how much easy to make sentences using a picture. See, now I am writing clearly, boys are playing. So up to now we discussed by using naming words and action words we written sentences here at the left and right side. Now I have all the sentences. Now I am writing clearly here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, up to 10 sentences I finished here. If you want to write, you can write more sentences from using naming words and action words like this. See, boys are playing, girls are playing, children are playing, girls are skipping, boy is running, girl is running, boys are jumping, girls are jumping, boy is kicking a ball, girl is kicking a ball. See here, some places are comes, some places is coming. So why is we are using here? Boy is singular, only one boy. That's why use is. More than one boy. That means boys. The difference is boy and boys. S is there. S is there means it is plural. More than one boy. Two boys, three boys, four boys. Then like that use are. So if you singular only one boy, use is. Boys are playing. Girls are playing. Children are playing. Girls are skipping. Boy is running. Girl is running. Boys are jumping. Girls are jumping. Boy is kicking a ball. Girl is kicking a ball. This is the picture what we completed here. Homework for you today. See, write naming words 5 times. Second, write naming word action words 5 times. Write 10 sentences using naming words, action words. See, so these homework for you. Write the naming words, write the action words, write 10 sentences using naming words and action words. If you know, write 5 more sentences. If you are interested to write more sentences, write 5 more sentences. So I written here only 10. If you want, write 5 more sentences. This is a homework for you. Thank you.